Hello everybody, welcome back to DC Motorbikes. I'm Austin and here's Andre. He just finished his A1 test and he passed with the flying colors. Let's see how they're doing.
I'm
Hi.
happy.
Congratulations on passing the test. How you feel right now? Any more emotions like did you relieved after passing the test?
Yeah, so at first I was nervous, but now I'm relieved.
Okay. Would you mind telling me like how's the score? Like how much did you got?
So theory I passed 25 and practice 90.
Really high score, like almost perfect. Okay. How much time do you spend on learning for the theory and the practical as well?
So the first day for theory maybe 2 hours, second day 1 hour, and then 20-30 minutes every day.
Wow, that's a lot of practice that you really like put in the work to make it happen. Would you say that our lessons together help you like get the high score like that?
Of course, because without these lessons I wouldn't pass this test. So I didn't understand how it's possible to pass this test in Vietnamese, but now I understand. Just I have to know some key words.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, like how would you rate our services like throughout your whole process learning?
Maybe 10.
Okay, thank you so much.